What's up? My name is Will Ross. I'm a 21-year-old college student and I'm on my way to achieving financial freedom. If this is your first time on my channel, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe so you don't miss those future videos. And I'm trying to grow my own channel. Now, what I wanted to talk about today is 4 ways you can make money on your phone for free. Jumping right into it, number 1 is Instagram theme pages. Now, this is something that I'm trying to go right now. There's been a lot of trial and error, but I'm honestly having fun with it. The main thing you have to do here is pick a certain niche and stick with it. So when I say niche, I mean if you like cats and you want to post cat content, if you like dogs, you want to post dog content. I'm personally growing a automotive car content page. That's what I like. That's what I like to do, is shoot cars. So that's kind of what I'm growing right now, and that's my niche. If you start posting a bunch of different stuff like dogs, cats, cars, plants, whatever it may be, food, people are not going to know what they're getting from you, and they're probably less likely to follow you. That's why sticking to a niche is so important, because you want the person that's looking at your page to see that you have a niche and that they're following you for that niche. So the way you can actually make money off of Instagram theme pages is by sponsorships, ads, and promoting your own business. For example, if you grow to 20 to 30,000 followers, people are going to start reaching out to you wanting to promote their business and giving you pretty good rates to post a 24-hour story or post it itself. These rates could range from 10 to 100 to 400 depending on how big your page is. But if you're racking in 1 per week, that's $100 to $500 extra dollars a week that you're making. Promoting your own business could also be really effective. Now, this is something I haven't tried, but I wanted to put into theory very soon. So I'm just gonna throw it out there. If you have a drop shipping business, you don't have to pay for ads. You can just post 1 a week, 2 a week, however you feel, on your Instagram theme page, and you don't have to pay the hefty fine of paying another page for just 24 hours. And if you build your page up enough, you can sell it for profit. What I mean by this is you started the page for free in the first place. If you build it up to 100,000, 200,000, 300 million followers, you could probably sell it for a pretty penny, maybe 1,000, 2,000, however many you want to sell it for. And that's going from free to thousands and thousands of dollars. And this is something that you can work on 5 to 10 minutes a day, nothing you have to really break a sweat in doing. And it's something that you can grow in a year or 2 years, however you like. Number 2, I'm gonna say opening a brokerage account with either Robinhood, Webull, or TD Ameritrade. Now, these are just 3 examples. You don't have to pick either of these 3. These are the top 3 that I came off the top of my mind. Now, what these are, if you don't know anything about brokerages or banks or trading stocks or anything, they're basically a stock trading platform to where you could buy a stock low and sell it for high. And basically that meaning if you buy a stock for $11, you sell it for $20, you just made a $9 profit. It's high risk, high reward, low risk, low reward. So like I said, 11 to 20 is going to only make you $9. However, if you spent $500 on a stock and it goes to $600 in a week, you just made $100, but you could also lose that $100 just as easily. Signing in with either of these brokerages is gonna give you a free stock in the first place. So this is why I put it in my free list, because for example, I just signed up for Webull the other day. I've had a Robinhood account for a long time. I wanted to open up a Webull to invest in index funds, and I invited 2 people. They accepted. I got 2 $14 stocks. That's $28 that I can already invest without spending any of my own money. Now, personally, in the past year, I've made about $400 to $500 on Robinhood alone. This is being a broke college kid. I don't have that much money. I'm trying to budget out my weekly budget, and even putting $20, $40, $50 in it per week by saving money other ways is making me a profit in these different margins. Brokerages can definitely be risky though. If you don't know what you're doing, you're going to end up losing a lot of money. It honestly requires a lot of time to study, watch YouTube videos, but all this information is for free. Everything that I've learned on the stock market has been through YouTube, and I haven't paid $1 for any courses or anything, and I've made plenty of money. The third way you can make money for free on your phone is flipping. Now, I talked about this in a recent video, but basically you can go on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, Etsy, Letgo, find free things and have it shipped to your doorstep, or you can go get it locally, and that way you don't have to pay for shipping. Now, what flipping basically is you're going to get that free thing and you're selling it for $5. Now, if you went to go pick up locally, you probably spent 50 cents on gas on the way there, however, whatever, depends on what car you're driving, but you're selling it for $5, you just made $4.50, and you started for free. So this is why I'm putting it in my list of free things. Now you have that $4.50 to invest in something you can buy and flip then. So you can buy a $4 toy, invest it into 10. You see how I'm going with this, buy something that's $10, flip it into 20, 20 to 40, and that quickly becomes hundreds and hundreds of dollars. My top 3 apps I would use for flipping would be Etsy, Letgo, and Facebook Marketplace. These are just the 3 best apps that I've used for it, and honestly it's the most efficient in terms of customer service and quality. The best part about it is it all can be done from your phone. If you don't want to pick it up locally, you can just have it shipped to your doorstep. Now you may have to pay, $3, $4, $5 for shipping, but still you're getting that small amount of money that you can build into hundreds and hundreds of dollars, which I think is definitely worth it. So a category I'm gonna kind of rope into flipping, I was thinking about making it a separate category, but I don't think I'm gonna do that, is reselling shoes. Now this can definitely be a sticky business. Honestly, you have to put a lot of time into investing. Waking up in the morning for a sneaker drop, buying it and reselling it instantly, it can be kind of stressful. I've done it before. I've done it for a month or 2 and I didn't make that much money off of it, but it's something that when you do have a good hit, it's very successful. For example, when I was a kid back in 2016, I was actually lucky enough to grab a pair of the Jordan 11 2016 Space Jams. Now, I didn't resell them, but if I had the knowledge that I had now, I definitely would have. And if you're thinking about apps that you can use for this, I recommend Kixify, Sneakers, or StockX. Like I said before, reselling shoes is definitely a hustle. You're gonna have to wake up early in the morning, you have to stay up late at night, depending on when the shoe drops. Now, it definitely can be one of the most time consuming on this list, but honestly, it brings in one of the biggest profit margins, so I think it's worth it. So the 4th and final method you can make money from your phone for free, I'm gonna say, is creating a YouTube channel. While this may be just rinse and repeat off of other videos, it's there for a reason. I mean, honestly, this is what I'm trying to do right now. I'm filming from my phone. I picked a personal niche in finance and building your personal wealth and financial freedom. It's something that I'm trying to build right now, and I'm kind of documenting my journey through it. Figured, why not make a YouTube channel? Why not invest a little bit of my time for potential great ROI in the future? It doesn't matter if they're the crappiest videos in the world. This is a pretty bad quality video myself, but I'm getting my name and brand out there. I'm getting appearance, I'm getting views, I'm trying to get my brand out there, and that's the first step. And honestly, it's a hard step. Getting 0 to 1,000 is going to be hard. I'm on my way to doing it right now, so please click that like and subscribe button. That would really help me out. There's honestly no excuse to not be filming videos. It's something that I've tried to tell myself for a long time, and honestly, it's taken me way longer to get here than I thought it would, but I'm finally in front of a camera doing it, and it's fulfilling to do. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you did like it, please click the like button. Consider subscribing, as it really does help me out. I'm on the way to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm motivated to not stop until I get there. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.